Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad to have you here today, and I am going to show you, I just had a birthday, and my daughter and I went shopping, and I picked up a few things at Ross and TJ Maxx, which are kind of some of my favorite places to shop, and at least to go in and shop. And so here's a bag showing, anyway, there's my little birthday bag, and I've got stuff all over here that I'm going to share with you today. So let's just get started and you can see what I got. Okay, friends, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. So, you know, when I go shopping at these stores, I have like favorite categories. Like I have decor, and I like dishes, and I like candles, and I like shoes, and I mean, there's a lot of different things I get. But this time, technically, my daughter did buy me a few things, but technically I'm on a, you guys can believe this or not, I am on a spending, what is it called? A spending freeze. And it's kind of funny because I told my husband I was going on, well, actually I was telling my daughter, my husband, and I wanted my husband to hear, he was sitting right there. And when I said I'm going on a spending freeze, my husband was like this. Anyway, I think he had a hard time believing it, but I'm going on a spending free from beauty products, personal things, but some of this stuff was birthday gift for my daughter, so that's okay. And then some of it's for my home. I'm not going on a spending freeze for my home. I haven't showed a lot of my home yet because it seems like since I've lived in this new house, we've been remodeling we've been here like 3 years. Anyway, we're remodeling a lot, and I just don't have all the rooms finished, and I need to get finished. They're like, 90% done, and I just need to finish it. So that's kind of my little project for this summer, and hopefully I can get it done and I can share with some of you guys along the way. Let me know if you would like that, to see some of my decor and my home. And so some of my earlier videos, I did video in my living room, so you could see I do have a really pretty living room area. That part's pretty much finished, my kitchen living area, but I still got my master bath in progress, almost done. My living room I'm redecorating. I've got a kids hangout room, a teenage hangout room so I've got in my guest bedroom, I'm still decorating some of these rooms. But anyway, that's that. So we'll show you a couple things that my daughter got me. She got me more, but it was not stuff from here. I'm just going to show you the stuff I got. I don't know why this right here struck me. This is a purse, and I love the clear see-through, so you could actually take this bag if you wanted to a stadium, because that require a see-through. But what it has in it is that I think is really cool. Inside it has, and I didn't take this out, I don't know if I can, it's probably, okay, let me get it out here. It has a purse, a smaller purse that is also, it's just a really cute little purse, what do you call it? The over-the-shoulder purse, and so there we go. So it just, anyway, does this, and so I kind of like the idea that I could keep like my money or phone and things in here, and then stick it in here, but I could have other things in here too. But if I'm out and I just want to grab this only and put it over my shoulder, I can do that. So thought it was kind of fun. It's definitely my color. So this was fun. I think this was like, it was $30. So anyway, 2 purses in one, and it's just me. It's very me. So anyway, and it's not even, it's Lynette Laporte. It's not a total name brand, but she makes some nice stuff. I usually kind of go for the name brand stuff when it comes to purses. But anyway, okay, so there's that. The next thing I have is, I'll show you my shoes, because I had to get a pair of shoes. And these are just, I kind of got some gold ones like this recently, but they have straps. These are just slides, but they're just like a silver kind of a slide. They kind of look cool with the dress I have on, I think. But anyway, so there's the look of these. And so that's why they were wide on me. They're wide width. Oh, they were kind of wide on me. And I don't have wide foot, but I went down a size. So I don't know. Anyway, I just realized that. Anyway, so there's that. So that's my shoes. And these guys were only, these were reduced. These were $11.99. So anyway, that's a good deal. And then I got this cute basket. I thought, I love this basket. I think the scallop's adorable. And I might put this on my bedroom nightstand. I can put, I have like a cute tissue box and candle and some sprays and stuff I use at night. So I could probably put those in here and just put it on my nightstand. So there's that. So that was fun. And that was also purchased from my daughter. And then I got, for my bathroom, I've been needing a new rug for outside the shower. And I saw this, I don't know, I just fell in love with it. It's a modern loft. Anyway, it's just, there we go. I don't know if you can see, but it's just it's just white, and it's got these big fabric. It's just a big fabric thing. And I know probably can get dirty, but it looks like I could delicate wash it and, just hang it or just have it air dry. But anyway, I'm excited about this. And this was only $10.99. Now, usually a rug like this is a lot more than that. It's very good quality. Well, it says $20 value. But anyway, so I'm happy with that. So like I said, I'm just I'm close in my master bathroom. So that's just going to help finish it up. I need to get a shelf in there, but I wanted to put a picture in there with like a plant or a candle or something next to it. And I just saw this picture. I don't know if you can see this. It's, I think it's like 24 or 20 by 30. So it's fairly big, but I have gold and whites in there and pinks kind of. And I just thought this would look so good, so peaceful. So anyway, that's gonna go in my bathroom. So I can't wait to take you in there and see it finished or whatever. So anyway, there's that. And then the last few things I have in a bag here, I got a lipstick holder because I'm still kind of organizing, but this was only $2.99 and it goes well with my stuff. So I've got that. And then I don't know why I love these little trinkets so much, but I got, I just thought this was so cute. This is a pink little trinket. You could put like cotton swabs or whatever in it. It's got the gold, like a dragonfly on it. So I really like that. So I'm probably going to put that on my vanity somewhere. And then also I got, and this probably would go, I change up the decor in my kitchen. I have a shelf that I have on my island. And I thought this would be really cute in there. This is just, this is a candle. It smells really good, but it's just cute. Cute little dish candle. So I just thought that was fun. I don't know if I'm getting it on right, but anyway, it has Has a little charm on it with the bow. But so there's that. And what else is in here? There's got to be something else in here. Okay, it's going to be another bottle of some kind. I was just thinking of my vanity, and this is just so pretty. It kind of looks like perfume, but this is a room spray. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, it's a cute room spray. So I just thought these are really cute. These would be cute on my vanity. And then I got, so I also couldn't resist, I don't know why, but I just thought this was, oh, I didn't even put this out for Easter. This was an egg. It was an Easter thing I got. This was only $3.99 though, and how cute is that? So just a little plate, an Easter egg plate. So that's fun. So I think that is about it for my little haul from Ross and TJ Maxx. So let me know what you think. Are you excited to see some of my rooms come together with some of this decor? I need to start sharing more. Tell me in the comments that I need to do this. So I just need to get it done. I don't know. I have health issues, and so it's hard for me. Sometimes I'm up and down different days, and so right now I feel motivated though to get these rooms done so I can share with you guys. So anyway, that's it for my little haul. And anyway, do you guys like to shop at Ross or TJ Maxx? Now, TJ Maxx is like my favorite. I just love it because you can get different unique things, and every time you go in, it's different. There's different stuff to see. But the last few times I've been to Ross, I've actually been really impressed. So with some of their stuff. So anyway, it's a little bit of both. So anyway, but let me know what you think of my haul. Do you have any favorite items? And so leave me a comment. Let me know anything. I can take criticism. I can take, I love compliments. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, friends. Bye-bye.